Hey folks, welcome to another Mauihowey video. Today we're at Pha Mo I Daeng, which is kind of the top of Thailand. We're overlooking Cambodia and Lao from the top of this mountain. And you'll get a look at it real quick, see all the little mountain crags and sides. I hope you'll stick around. Should be only a short video, maybe a 2-3 minute video, but we'll get back to you in a little bit. All right, there's the ticket price for Pha Mo I Daeng, which is kind of the top of Thailand. We're looking over Cambodia and stuff, but 200 for Farang, that's me, 40 for Cal, and 20 for the motorbike. So over here they do have dual pricing. Looking over, you see the crags and how high Thailand is actually above Cambodia and Lao. So we just came from over there. You can look, one misstep, and that's where you're going, straight down. Pathway that we're walking through takes you up to the top and back down. Quite a bit of upgrade walking. Still walking. If you hear me panting, it's because it's quite an uphill walk, even though it doesn't look like it. It's quite an uphill walk here. Not really sure where that goes, but I don't think I'm going to be going down all these stairs. Too hot to come back up. Back as far as you can see. Ratchathani, Mauihowey National Park on the bike. All right, the tickets for Huay Luang Waterfall. Once again, you can see it's dual pricing, 200 for me, 40 for Kiao, and 20 for the motorbike. So let's go take a look at the waterfall. So it's starting off reasonable. Stairways down to the waterfall. We'll see how it gets. I know usually we end up going down these and next thing you know you're clinging to a rock, but right now it's starting off with just some easy steps. So actually a very beautiful waterfall here. We're up at the viewpoint. We'll walk down the stairs here in a minute. Not super hot, so it'll be an easy walk, I think. Pretty big waterfall though. That was 297 steps to get all the way down to the bottom. Wasn't really bad, the steps were kind of good. We'll see how it is going back up, but getting down was fairly easy. I'll turn around and take a look at the falls here in a second. Right up underneath it. And off she goes. Walking out to the rocks, down the sand, out to the waterfall. I'm not scared of anything. Alright folks, that's going to wrap up this video. I did a combo video here of Pha Mo I Daeng Canyon or National Park. That's where we overlook Cambodia and Lao from the top of the mountain. and over here at Huay Luang Waterfall. Real beautiful out here. Between the two videos, I think I should have enough content to be interesting. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you real soon in another Mauihowey video. Take care, folks.